Problems cleaning your windshield inside and out? You can't clean what you can't reach. Until now. Introducing the Invisible Glass Reach and Clean Glass Cleaning Tool. Nothing is faster and easier for cleaning windshields, side and rear windows, and difficult-to-reach interior glass. Only the Reach and Clean tool combines a super strong comfort grip handle with a patented Flow Tech triangle cleaning head. Use the tool inside your home for sparkling mirrors and windows. And the Reach and Clean handle works with any extension handle. Use the scrubber bonnet to remove soap scum from shower doors, dust furniture, and even mop your floors. All the bonnets are reversible, washable, and reusable, saving you money. Invisible Glass Reach and Clean includes the handle, large triangle cleaning head, microfiber glass and dusting bonnets, and scrubber bonnet. Nothing is faster and easier for cleaning than the Invisible Glass Reach and Clean tool. You'll love what it does for your home and car.